Hey, what's happening, heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and hit that big thumbs up. You know we're trying to get to 100.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video today, we got that what? Weekly heat,
Weekly
baby.
heat. Yes, sir. That weekly heat. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So go ahead and start us off, my brother. What we got?
Hey, so on November the 2nd, we got those Air Jordan 2s, right? This is a women pair of shoes. Asking price for those are 175. It got that mauve color. It's an elegant color scheme with that mauve, with that midsole of sail. This is, like I mentioned, is a woman's shoe. It's a versatile design. Going into that Christmas, the holidays, I can see this shoe being a very hot seller for the women out there. So drop us a comment down below letting us know if you are rocking those or dropping those. But those right there, hey, I'm giving those a thumbs up. What about you, my brother?
So as for me, because this is a women's pair and I can't wear them, well, I probably can because I have a small foot, but
Okay.
I'm dropping those. I'm dropping those. So
Mm,
let us know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
yes, sir.
So
What's
moving
next?
on to the main heavy hitter on November 4th, we do have those Royal Reimagined. This does come at a price point of 180. As you know, sneakers already had the exclusive shock drop of these. I did go for my brother's size 12. I did take an L on those.
Mm,
Keep in mind, this is a semi-anticipated pair. A lot of people have been waiting for these to re-retro, but unfortunately, Jordan Brand is not giving us what we want. So let us know in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these sneakerheads? That this is a suede pair instead of leather. I've heard from other people that I haven't seen these in hand, but I've heard that this is a very nice pair and do look better in hand. Again, I will be going for these, so hopefully we'll have a pair for you to see on video. Mostly suede pair. Majority of the shoe is black. Does have that royal blue swoosh with the color blocking that we all like, with the heel tab and toe box suede royal blue. The outsole does feature that royal blue as well. So what about you, my brother? You the one, man. What do you think about these? Are you rocking these or dropping these?
hey, my brother. That suede, it makes sense what the Jordan brand was doing, going into the winter months. That's a clean shoe. And y'all know I'm a one fan from day one. Drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But me, my brother, hey, I'm giving them two thumbs up. Two thumbs up. I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. Hey,
Yes, sir.
and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.